Hi guys, it's Danny here and welcome back to my channel. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate all of your love and support. And if you are new around these areas, please do hit the subscribe button and join our little fam. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you some things that I wish I knew before I moved out. So first thing is to budget more than just your rent. This is really important as I didn't really understand the fact that, bills aren't always included. And to be honest, when you're just moving out, it's kind of hard to judge how much your bills are going to be. So I'd really recommend speaking to people that potentially, if you're flat sharing, how much they're paying, or people that live in the area. There's nothing wrong with knocking next door and be like, hey guys, just looking at moving into the property next door. I'm just wondering, if we'd be able to have a chat about your utilities and how much, on average it really costs, because there's nothing wrong with being informed. It's super important you have this information. So number two, especially if you're living in a flat share, is really get a feel for the people you're going to be living with. It's super important, and I've had bad experiences where I haven't had the best flatmates, but also had amazing experiences where I've had great flatmates. You need to be able to trust the people you're living with and also have a common understanding, are they party animals? Are they more chilled? Kind of understand the kind of people you're looking to live with, so you're gonna have a healthy environment to come home to. Number three would be to consider your transport costs and weigh them up. So there's one thing, especially living in a city like London, it's the same actually if you live in New York, this is a big thing for me, is considering how much your travel will cost versus your rent. Is it worth spending a little bit more in rent to live closer so that you can potentially walk or cycle to where you need to be going for work? Or is it actually worth, the rent's a little bit cheaper, I'm not actually going to be traveling in every day, so I don't need a travel card. Kind of weigh up the costs and how much it's going to be costing you to travel. And my last tip would be try and understand more about the landlord and the estate agents. Look online, research the people. That's one thing that I wish that someone would have told me when I first started renting, because there's a lot of dodgy landlords and dodgy estate agents out there, unfortunately, and they don't have the best reputations. And usually if it's that bad, you will find something online. So do your due diligence, Google them, ask the people you're potentially moving in with, or potentially see if there's some properties online that the people also own or are renting out, and try and understand, because if you have a bad relationship with the landlord, oh my God, it's gonna make the renting experience so much more painful for you. You need someone that you can trust, that if anything happens, they're gonna be on hand, they're gonna fix things, you're gonna be able to get your money back, because it's such an expensive process. So please do your due diligence and research these people. So those are my tips for people moving out, especially if you're going to be renting. Please do leave any of the tips below so we can share them with each other and help new renters out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.